Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying profile and sync settings so deletions affect only what you intend. First, switch to the Chrome profile that contains the extension. Once done, disable sync if you don't want removal reflected on other devices. Then open extensions via the three-dot menu, More Tools, Extensions, or type Chrome//extensions. This brings up the management page where you'll see every installed extension, its permissions, and controls, so you can act precisely without guessing which item to remove. You'll now decide whether to disable or fully remove the extension. Inspect the extensions card to check granted permissions and site access so you understand why it behaved a certain way. If you just want to stop it quickly, toggle it off. If you want it gone, click Remove and confirm in the dialog that appears. After removal, make sure to clear relevant cookies or site data if the extension stored anything. This prevents leftover effects and helps restore privacy. Finish by restarting Chrome so the browser fully unloads the extension and refreshes settings. If the extension resurfaces or you see it reinstalled, make sure Chrome isn't managed by a policy and scan for unwanted programs. Malware can reinstall extensions. You can check Chrome//policy for enforced settings and use settings right arrow reset or the Chrome cleanup tool to remove persistent or malicious installations. If problems continue, consider removing the profile and recreating it after exporting bookmarks and passwords.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.